What's up guys, welcome back. I'm very excited with this new video. A good friend of mine recommended me these shoes and I'm going to tell you why these ones were the best option brand for me. This is something that I wanted to buy some time ago. These shoes look very comfortable, nice shape, and of course a nice sole. Let's talk about first how they look. In simple words, I would say nice shape, cool colors, and excellent design. So let's take a look from unboxing. Before that, 3 words for this. Just I love it. The logo looks good. It's lightweight, therefore is ideal for running or just a nice walking. After this, let's go to the action. It's time to try them. Before try shoes, first let's take a look to socks, which fit very well to the feet and is just cool. There is not much to talk about this, at least these shoes are amazing. It feels very comfortable and this is a great deal if you want to buy a good and cool pair of shoes. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to receive latest updates about this channel.